We're in Riverview restaurant. Mumtahina got a treat to taste soup in Riverview restaurant Borokuti. This is Sharmin and Elisa. Elisa is sleeping now, and also Anahita is sleeping here.
আমরা দেখো খাবার
আদর দেবে না, আদর থামবে না।